Hello, Shakil once again. So it's time to hash the password. So how's the password? We are getting very plain. So we want to use it hashed version of it. So we have already for hashing the password we are using bcrypt, a very popular library. You see bcrypt. So just go and npm I bcrypt. So we have already bcrypt installed in our system. So what we need to know? We need to just use it. Okay. So for that, create a folder, name it helper. It will be a helper function, okay, and give it a name auth.js. Okay, define the bcrypt. So export const hash password return new promise, and promise will either resolve or it reject. Okay, bcrypt of gensalt and it will 12 digit, then salt. Okay, so if error, then it will reject error, otherwise bcrypt will hash password, then salt, then error and hash. If error, then reject, otherwise resolve hash. Okay, I think that will do. That will serve our purpose. And we are creating another thing, though it is not will be required here. We want to compare. Export const compare password equal to plain password and hashed version of it, which will come from the database. Okay, return bcrypt compare password and hashed. Okay, this will do. So now we need to go to the controller auth file and hash password. Okay, const hashed password equal to await hash password. So we need to import the file. Okay, we need to import the file, otherwise it will not work. And another import we have forgotten, and we have to import bcrypt. So hash password and compare password from helper auth. As we are not using compare password, so it disappeared. And another thing we need to do is to go to the helper auth and import the bcrypt. Import bcrypt. We need to import bcrypt from bcrypt. So I think that will do to hash our password. So there is a wrong require stuck helper. So it has a typo. It should be helper. ACLPER helper.auth. I think this time it will be okay. Let's see. ACLPER auth. Oh, it's okay. Server is running, and so we hash the password. Sorry, we need to do another thing. We need to give it a hashed version. We need to give a hashed version. Okay, password equal to hashed password. So no longer it will save as a plain password. It will save as a hashed version of password, which is very tough to decode. Okay, so if any hacker get access to a database, they cannot retrieve the. So log into MongoDB and see whether we are getting the hashed version of the password or not. Let's see, and let's create a new user. Oh, we have already. Okay, create a new user. I am giving a different. First of all, we are giving the same email. Let's see what will happen. Email is taken. Okay, so give it a little bit of change and give the password. Registration success. Please log in and let's go and see whether we got the hashed version of it or not. Previously we have not got the hashed version. Sorry, browse collection. Udemy clone user. We have 6 users. Yeah, boom, we got the hashed version. You see, previously we get just the plain password, and now we got the hashed version. So this is not user friendly, not hacker friendly. This is not user friendly and hacker friendly also, but we will just provide the simple normal version of the password, and our code or the code we have written in the helper, it will do the rest of the job. It will hash our password. Okay, so if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and stay connected. See you soon.